Hello, annyeong. First of all, selamat Hari Raya Aidilfitri, maaf zahir batin. So, today I'm back with another unboxing session. Lama sudah saya tidak buat unboxing session kan? And today I'm gonna unbox a hand blender. Panasonic MX-SS40 hand blender, 600 watt, 5 speed. Okay, so yeah, actually I had a hand blender before, but I broke it during last Ramadan. It's a cheap one anyway, no brand, and I bought it from Shopee, and I've been using it for about 5 years, I think, or more. So yeah, it broke when I tried to make some bucks, so so I ended up ordering a new one, and I opt for a branded one, Panasonic, which is a brand I love. Yeah, I bought this from Shopee as well, from their Panasonic official store, because of the free shipping, of course. Let's just cut to the chase and unbox this thing. This is it, Panasonic MX-SS40 stainless steel shaft for blending directly in the pan, wall bracket for neat storage. Oh, it comes with wall bracket. Seriously, didn't know that. Chopper blade for chopping vegetables, meat and more. Disc blade and bowl for slicing and shredding vegetables. That's interesting, I really want that. Whisk attachment for whipping cream or egg white, and 0.7 liter blending beaker with lip slip proof mat. Warranty, operating instructions. What is this? Is this some kind of measuring cup? Oh, okay, this is the motor. Nice. It's quite heavy and it has rubber grip. Yeah, I don't know if I'm loving the rubber grip. I mean, rubber grip is good to handle, to touch, but in the long term, sometimes rubber grip doesn't really last that very long. Yeah, I'm quite torn about the hand blender having a rubber grip. Hopefully, this rubber grip would stand the test of time. The egg whisk. Yeah, so this is the wall plug. Wall bracket. Interesting. But I don't know if I'm going to hang this in my kitchen. I prefer to just keep it in a box, to less the clutter in my kitchen. Okay. The blades are actually smaller than I expected, because the last one I had have like bigger blades, and this one have smaller blades. See? Like thin, sharp blades. Oh, so it goes like this. This is for the whisk. So this is the beaker. Okay, so it's detachable. Nice. And yes, it also have measurement. Damn, I don't really have to buy a measuring cup actually, because this is very good already, and it have a sprout as well. Because I just bought a measuring cup from Shopee, and I was like, okay, so actually I don't really have to buy one because I already have one. Such a waste of money. And ta-da! This is what I love the most. This is big. I'm loving this, because the last one I had, the last hand blender I had, also have this food processor thing, but it was very small. So when I want to grind some meat, I have to do like many rounds of it. But with this one, it looks big, so this is nice. I'm loving this. Okay, so it looks like that. Oh, there's something more. Yeah, this one, disc blade. So I could also use this to slice vegetables, which is also very interesting. I'm gonna have to check the manual. Okay, so this actually has a max line, and the max line is 1 liter. Pretty good. This is the motor. Okay. So where's the beaker? Oh, okay. So another interesting part is this base is also acts as a lid. Yeah, that's lovely. Nice, right? Damn, I'm loving this already. I was not expecting that as well. And then wall bracket. Okay, my mistake. So this is actually a foot pusher. This shaft display, chopper lid. This is the food processing mode. Chopper blade inside, chopper mode. So you know what? Let's take this to the kitchen and try them out. And maybe shred some things. I don't know. Okay, Okay, so first of all, I'm really sorry. I'm not really feeling like cooking right now because it's still early in the morning. But I'm gonna sacrifice a carrot for you guys for the demonstration, you know, to do the product review. So first of all, I'm just gonna turn this on. I haven't turned this on yet since I already installed the chopper blade. So I'm just gonna try to turn this on. Okay, so here on top of this thing, the motor, there's an adjustable speed. So I'm gonna start from the slowest one. Okay, I'm just gonna turn this on first. 잠깐만. Oh, sorry. Okay. Whoa, that's supposed to be the slowest one. So I'm just gonna try this. Okay. Again. Interesting. Okay, so that's with the chopper blades. Now I'm gonna change the blades. Take this off. Okay, and now go in with the shaft first, and then the disc blade. Okay, and close it down. Okay, so I'm not gonna go with the strongest one. I'm gonna go with the slowest, the lowest, the weaker one first. Okay, so the disc blade runs. Okay, so I'm gonna try this. Put the carrot into this thing. Okay, let's try this. Oh! Aha! Yeah. That literally shredded into pieces. Can you see that? Now I'm gonna turn the blades upside down. You can see the result. In with the carrot again and the pusher. Now let's see. Okay. Nice. There you go. Can you see the result? This is from the upside down blade. It sliced the carrot into thin pieces, and if I with this position, it shredded the carrot into this thing. So yeah, I'm impressed. Interesting. There's only gonna be two kinds of, you know, result. Either you want it to be shredded like this or sliced like this. Now I'm gonna try the motor with these two other attachment. I'm gonna take this off first. And in with this thing first. Just match the arrows first and then turn it until it matches the dash. And it's less noisy compared using the food processor, and I'd say it's less noisy compared to my previous hand blender as well. But let's change the speed. Yeah, can you hear the sound? Okay, I'm gonna try this again one more time. Okay, so that is with this thing. I'm gonna change this with the whisk so we can see how fast the whisk moves. Okay, so again, well, just Does it have to be jiggly like that? Okay, this is the lowest. Now I'm gonna turn the speed on. Okay, so honestly I'm not really impressed with the whisk mode because the whisk kinda jiggly. Yeah. But yeah, that's it. And my final verdict, I am loving this hand blender, but there are some points that I have to point out that I'm not really loving. First of all, I'd say I'm not really loving that they put the button on white rubber, because even right now I already stained the power button. It already got stained by the carrot. I'm not really loving that. If only they just use black power button instead, that would be neater. Hopefully I could wash this off. Apart from that, the rubber grip is okay. Like I said earlier, I just hope that it would stand the test of time. And the weight is good, it's expected from a hand blender. It's not too heavy, it's not too light, which is good. Other than that, everything else is good. All the parts are good, except probably this one. The whisk, honestly, I'm not really a fan because it's kind of jiggly. Like when you turn it on, like it's very jiggly. Even like right now, you know? It's not that stable. Another thing would be the hole for this food processor is a bit small. Thankfully I have like small carrots, so I could fit this in. But if I want to slice some perhaps like cucumbers, that's gonna be impossible to fit a cucumber into this hole. That's a little bit of a downside. But apart from that, everything else is amazing, I'd say. Yeah, oh my gosh, what is this anyway? I forgot to check. Maybe this one? Yeah, okay, so okay, so there's one knob over here. Is this a knob? It is to hold this thing. It can hold the whisk, but it cannot hold this thing, unfortunately. So that is also a downside for me, unfortunately. Why don't you make a knob for both of the accessories to make it easier to store this thing, you know, because not everyone gonna hang their hand blender in the kitchen like myself. So I have to find another box, a storage box, to keep all this thing in place neatly. So yeah, that's all I could say for this product. Hopefully it would last longer than my previous hand blender. It's Panasonic, it's a good brand. So far I'm loving this. I just hope that it would stand the test of time. I think that's all for now for this video. If you like this video, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Okay, so see you next time in another video. Bye bye.